Hey guys, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the tools I picked up at the 2026 Mobile Tech Expo. So this is basically the Super Bowl of Paintless Dent Repair. So this is where all of the techs around the world go, and this is where all of the vendors are. Everybody shows up. This is the biggest, obviously I'm comparing it to the Super Bowl. This is one of the biggest shows of the year in the world. So I'm just going to kind of go through some of the tools and stuff I did pick up. Some of them I have here, some of them I haven't received yet, and I'll mention those as well later on the show. So first off, we're going to start off on the left side here with the Black Plague Super Straight tabs. So these are new from Keith at Black Plague PDR. So they've got a very specific new design. He's completely revolutionized, or evolutionized, I should say, glue pulling. So one of the big things here is they have a completely different style head. So don't worry, I'm going to come up to the camera and show you them. So on these glue tabs here, they look, I personally would call them a martini glass. But anyways, and what they do here is it allows the glue tab to be pulled straight up, and it's not going to allow the tab to vary off or whatnot like our traditional headed tabs. So don't worry, I know you guys are already thinking, oh my God, I can't put that in my regular mini lifter or tools that I already have. He already has adapters that he sells with the kit. I don't know if I'm supposed to say the exact price. I believe it was $200 was the show price. It comes with both heads for a pass-through and a single entry style lifter, or slide hammer I should say. So nice thing about these is, like I said, it'll pull from a triangular shaped pattern that'll allow it to pull even and uniform no matter what. It's not gonna pull off to the side by any chance or any rhyme or reason. So it's got these available in multiple different sizes. One of the added bonuses of them is that they've got a little tab holder here. So I'll kind of show this here as well. So it's got a little slide thing, and you just basically pry down on this, and this allows you to actually unlock the glue tabs as you're using them, so they won't, they're not going to fall out. So I'm glad they didn't fall out for my demonstration. But anyways, so that's one of the things I was really looking forward to. The next thing was Keith's new set of basically short range tips. So these are available in, well, how many are these here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 25, I believe, if I counted correctly. So they're available in all different sizes and shapes and sharpnesses. So if you guys can see, hopefully I don't drop any. Anyways, if you can see those, all of those here, they've got quite a few different options. The nicest thing about these tabs here is that they're just gonna stick out of the, basically out of the dent tool just at the end of the thread. So you're not going to have a tab. I'm not going to call out any of these other name tabs because these are all great, or I should say tips, but they're not going to stick out extended amounts, that typically 1/2 inch is generally what I would say. I don't have a measuring stick here with me, but generally the tab, the tip is going to stick out about a 1/2 inch further than the threads, whereas these are literally starting, they're sharp basically right as they're sticking out. So I'm not going to do the best explanation for them, but that's fine. You can talk to Keith at Black Plague. Quite frankly, just go pick up a set of them. You're going to love them. They come with this nice tool tip holder and everything. It's all magnetic. They literally just stick on there and stick right back on. No big deal. So really looking forward to getting to use those. Some of the next tools I did pick up was the Willie Quick pry tool here. So this is going to allow us to take off trim pieces and whatnot and not cause any type of damage to any of the plastics on the vehicles and cars. Really excited. I have not got to use one of these yet, but I know I've got buddies that have got a couple of them, and they love them. So I had to swing by Willie Quick. And then while I was there, I was talking to the guys, and I asked them about, hey, what else is new? What do you guys else have available here for the, as far as tools and whatnot, what's new? So they've got the Willie Quick prick tip and the mushy tip. So I'm going to try to show these as far as on the camera here. So this is just a plastic or a rubber cap here, really soft push, and then I went with the opposite, really sharp push. So really sharp push for that matter. So anyways, so excited to get to use these. These are probably these are going to be really good hail related tips. Obviously I travel around and do hail damage. So this is going to be a big positive. And for, big and small smashes, it's not really going to matter. I mean, you can use them interchangeably about anywhere. So moving over to the next couple of things I did pick up, these are some of the tool tips from Dent Reaper. So a couple things he did end up making here is he's got a 5/16 to 1/4 inch 20. So he's got basically adapters here to go big threads to small threads, small threads to big threads. So if you've got the smaller size tools and you want to put the traditional size tips on them, that's going to work great for doing that. No longer you're going to have to buy a separate set of tips to do to have for a couple set of rods. You're going to be able to interchange them now. The next big thing here was the football tip. So this is a little bit of a spin-off of the 3D, which is like, if you're familiar with that, it's like the rounded hook style tool. So that's going to allow you to actually basically turn a traditional style tool into a 3D style tip. So excited to get to use this. I actually didn't even know about this until literally, I think it was the day before the show. Dent Slayer did a little preview of some of John's stuff at Dent Repair, and I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I talk to John all the time. What the hell, dude? You didn't even let me know. So anyways, whatever, it is what it is. So some of the next things here, I've got speaking of Dent Slayer, I've got his low profile knockdown or nylon tip. So that's really short, whatnot. So as you can see, yeah, so really excited to get to use that. Low profile tips are definitely have a high usage. So some of the next things here, we've got the Cam Auto. I didn't even know that they made this, but this is the bare metal glue. So this is glue that's specifically made to glue onto bare metal. Obviously not very paintless dent repair-y, if you will. But, you know, if you're doing any type of collision work, helping out a body shop, you know, working on stuff like that, that's where I saw the use for it. So I'm really excited to get to use this because I have tried to glue pull on bare metal, and it's a pain in the ass. So this will fix it. So anyways, that's from Cam Auto. The next thing here, I've got a couple things I picked up from the Kiko booth. One I do not have with me yet. I bought the lateral tension, the medium-sized puller. It is, I don't know, 2 foot, I think, if I remember right. I don't remember the exact amounts, but Danny kind of walked me through. He was awesome to be able to sit down with me and actually do a full demonstration of all the differences between the traditional lateral tensions and the version 2.0. It's available in black, looks really awesome, so be sure to pick one of those up. And then I was able to pick up one of these tools. Basically, this is like a multi-use tool. Probably a little bit more on the body man side as far as friendliness, but if you look at it here, it's got a hook tool here that I can stick in a door edge to pull the edge of a panel out. It's got the, I believe this is the JVF tip, if I remember right, and I needed one of these. So anyway, so it was like just a good deal to get the whole combo deal here. So you could basically use this as a knockdown and hit it here, or you can use it as your grip to pull. I mean, you could put different style tips in any of these. I mean, it's very interchangeable. All this stuff comes completely apart. I mean, you get the idea, but whatever. So take off these extensions, unscrew this, twist it, so on and so forth. So excited to get to use this. I don't know if I'll be able to use this a whole bunch, but when you need to do, you know, basically help out a body shop and whatnot with their collision repairs, I think this is going to be a really important tool for that. Also was able to get hooked up with a set of the universal glue tabs from Kiko. Really appreciate that. Thank you, Danny and Chris. Another couple things kind of in some goodie bags that some of the vendors give out. These are the Willy Quick glue tabs, the multi basically set of them. Really good use to glue tabs. The smallest one I didn't have, so I'm excited to get to use that. I've used the other ones. They work great. A couple other things. The Willy Quick little light. So this will be a nice little thing to be able to inspect interior or any type of trim things while I'm using, and it's really bright, so do not shine that in your eyes. Sweet koozie, I'm always going to use those. And Dent Ops hooked me up with a set of their socks. So when I'm going out trying to look really nice and fresh, I've got some Dent Ops socks, because why would you not want to wear them? So that's some of the tools I ended up picking up at the 2026 Mobile Tech Expo. Like I said, the other one that I did purchase was the lateral tension 2.0, medium-sized one. I'll do a video on that as soon as I get that out or get that here. It shipped actually today. Yeah, I think I basically covered everything. So anyways, that's kind of a tool preview of what I picked up at the 2026 Mobile Tech Expo. If you'd like to see anything else or have any questions, feel free to leave it down in the comments. If you've got a dent or ding or any questions on this or just want to talk about dent repair tools, go ahead and hit me up on any social media platforms, Sioux Falls Dent Repair, or you can visit my website, SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.